Hey, what's up, guys? So I started on my base for my refrigerator and my storage and my countertop. This right here is just the base. It's going to end up having storage in that long part there. It's not a lot of storage, but it's going to be okay. So here's my base. I was just testing, putting my refrigerator up on top, but the refrigerator is going to be on the right side against the wall, and then I'm going to have storage on the left side, which is going to give me a stand for my countertop. Yeah. So as you can see, the refrigerator's in. I was just trying to make sure everything was balanced, and so I was putting in the platform for my storage and then building my structure for that's going to support my my countertop. I wanted to make it firm, pretty strong as far as that's concerned for just in case if anybody leans on it or anything like that. I don't think anybody's going to be sitting on it. Maybe they better not be. But yeah, this is what it turned out to be right here. I still need to sand it down, round off the edge right by the door, but that's going to happen when I start sanding it. I did it this way for a couple different reasons. But we'll get to that later on another video. But yeah, it's going to be, I think it's going to be big enough for what I need to put on top on the counter. I think the storage is going to be okay underneath the refrigerator and on the side of the refrigerator. The plywood on the side of it right now, that's just a temporary situation. That's not a permanent. What the wood's going to be on the permanent. I think I'm probably going to do the same as I did on the walls for the side of it. I do have plans to build a wall up along the whole side of the refrigerator all the way up to the ceiling, but I can't get to that part yet. Also, I replaced the transmission speed sensor. This right here took like 5 minutes, but I had a check engine light on. I got it tested, and it was saying it was a speed sensor. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, I mean, this literally took like 5 minutes. So, but yeah, my videos are on a day-to-day, week-to-week basis kind of deal. I know there's a lot of things that are not finished and a lot of things that are dragging on. It seems like, and oh, I haven't finished this project and I haven't finished that project, but there's reasons for that. I mean, I can't finish certain things until I get other things done. I mean, but this is the reality of living in a van and building a van at the same time. This is part of the deal. I've been in a van now for 2 weeks, and living in the van and stuff, it's awesome. I just wanted to keep posting the videos that I am, on a week-to-week kind of basis, stuff like that, seeing what I'm doing, places that I'm going, and sharing it with everybody. I appreciate you guys subscribing. It's awesome. Like I said in my last video, van life is van life is awesome, man. Like I said, I can't wait to see what happens in the future. I can't wait to hit the road and see more beautiful, fun, exciting places and people and all that good, happy stuff. But yeah, this is one of the days I was out at one of the places I like to go to, watching a sunset, obviously with Charlie. He was not very photogenic that day, but he was just like, no, I'm not having it. But yeah, man. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. I will talk to you guys later. Enjoy. Have a safe holiday, and I will talk to you guys later.